Good evening, ladies and gents. Just getting to the end of the day here, doing a load of laundry, and I wanted to show you guys this luxury scented laundry sanitizer that I was sent to try by the folks at Black Diamond. Now, let me turn this around for you. Hang on, I'm messing up the settings on my washing machine here. Okay, this is, let me make sure I get this right. Bergamot, am I saying that right? I've always read it and I've never said it. Bergamot, citrus, and sandalwood scent. This smells absolutely incredible. Does a fantastic job of sanitizing laundry. And I simply put 2 to 4 ounces in the detergent compartment. And that's all there is to it. Check it out at the link below, guys. I can't describe this scent, but it is not like your normal laundry detergent. It really is luxury, as they said. I love it. Check it out, guys, at the link below. Thank you for being here. Have a great night, and I will see you in the morning. Sleep well, everybody.